Hey everyone, my name is Bethany and I'm the training manager here at Yesware, and today I'm going to show you how to use email templates. Email templates allow you to save time by building a library of pre-written messages, personalize templates for individual recipients in seconds, and stay organized with the templates modal that lives in your inbox.
The very first thing to know about Yesware's email templates is that they live in two places. We have the templates library here within the menu section of the sidebar. And then within a compose window, there's this add template button. And this is going to allow you to add a template. But first, we need to create those templates. So to do that, you'll want to go to the manage templates section. And to create a new template, the very first thing that you'll want to do is click New Template here in the upper right-hand corner. And go ahead and give this template a name, something that makes sense for the scenario. Choose where you want to save that template. And if you are a team leader on a team that has been created in Yesware, you can save it to any team folders. Click Save. And now, if you're going to do a full email, you can give it a subject line, but it's not a required field. So if you just want to do a couple lines of text or instructions on how to do something, you can certainly skip that. But let's go ahead and put one in for this example. And then here is where you build out the body of your template, and we allow room for personalization through the use of merge fields. And this Insert Merge Field button gives you three options. For those of you with the Yesware Enterprise subscription, you can use Salesforce fields, which are going to look at all of the fields in your Salesforce environment and help you to pull those in automatically. Text fields allow you to do a fill in the blanks or just a placeholder that you can come back and add some text to later. And then drop-down fields allow you to create a predetermined list of things that you would then come back to and select from later. You can then add any formatting that you need to, including inserting an image or inserting a tracked attachment. So if you have any emails that need a specific attachment that you then want to know when your recipients are clicking on those attachments, you can insert a tracked attachment using this button. Once your template's set up, you can go ahead and save template. And great, we've got our template, but how do we actually use it? So coming back to Outlook, we'll open up a compose window and enter our recipient's information and click Add Template. And now you can choose which template you'd like to use. You have your recently used templates, access to any of your team or personal folders. And when you find the one that you want to use, you have a couple different options. You can either click Insert right away, or if you have any text fields, you're going to want to fill those in. So if you click Insert without filling in your text fields, this is going to pull in the template as is. So if you have text fields, you actually want to click on the template itself. And now you'll notice for folks with the Yesware Enterprise subscription that Yesware has filled in the name in the Salesforce field for the contact record that matches the email address I already put into the to field. So anything that you're wanting to pull in from Salesforce, you can use Salesforce fields for when you're creating the template. And then for text fields, just go ahead and fill in those blanks. And choose from the drop-down. And now click Insert. And this is going to pull in your template, and it'll have the subject line that we put in there. It'll pull in all the data from the Salesforce fields, the text fields, and the drop-down fields. And then you can either send the email as is, or, you're not handcuffed to this text, so you can still make any kinds of additions if you need to. You can change any of the text that we entered. And you can also insert multiple templates into an email. So if you were to add another template here, it's not going to override what you've already written. It will just insert itself wherever your cursor is. Now we mentioned template folders, so you do have the option to create your own folders to organize all of your templated categories. So to do that, you just want to click on the blue New Folder button here and create a new folder to save all of those templates. Again, if you're a team leader, you can create team categories. If you need to delete any of the categories out, there's this little delete button or edit their names. And if there are any templates in specific that you don't need anymore, you can click this More button and click Delete. You could also move them to a different category if you need to do some reorganization. If you wanted to duplicate and maybe, change up the subject line of one and see if that, helps with your open rates, which you can see here with the sends, open percentages, reply percentages, and you can order by these by clicking on them. And you also have the option to do custom sorts. So if you want to sort these by a custom order, you just click on that, and then you can drag and drop these in a different order. You can also do the same with your folders by dragging and dropping them. And if you need to resize, you do have that option. And if you have any templates that you come to frequently, feel free to star those, and you'll be able to see them in My Favorites. If you've added a tracked attachment to one of your templates, don't forget that you can see that tracking information under the Tracking tab in the All Events section. You'll be able to see that so-and-so has viewed this tracked attachment, and it will show up as an orange icon.